Hello, Algebra 2 students. Today we will continue with section 9.6, day 3, and I will also post a video for 9.6, day 4, and this will be due Friday. Okay? So, imagine you are in a classroom, you come into class, and I'm gonna give you POD, and the question for you is solve ln e. Okay? So take about a minute or two, pause the video, and think about it. Okay, so L and E. Ooh, what do we do? E, you know that it is 2.718, blah, 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 right? When we talk about log, just to reinforce it, when we talk about log, it's assumed is base 10. Okay? When we talk about ln, natural log, logarithmic, and this is assume it's base e. They go together. So in other words, there's like a little e in here. Okay, but to make it short, if you take your calculator out, okay, and if you press ln on your TI-83, do you see ln next to 4? 4, and on the left you see ln. So please type ln. Okay, now where is e on your calculator? E on my TI-83 is where division is, division sign. Okay, so it's in blue or yellow on yours, so you have to press second division. Okay, if you do second division you will get e. So if you type ln second division, the answer is 1. Okay, so this is the fact that you need to know for today. ln e is equal to 1. And why is it equal to 1? Because technically it means there's an e over here. So if I give you this problem, ln e, now it's confusing. This means e to what power is equal to e? And the answer is x has to be equal to 1. So the fact that you have to know today is this, okay? ln of e is equal to 1. Okay? So let's look at an example. Example now number 1, I wrote it for you and explain step by step. So example, e to what power equals 7. You could guess and check, okay? Because e is about 2.7, so 2 to the second would be 4. 3 to the second would be 9. So, you know, it has to be around 2. But how do we do this? Little warning or little note. When we talked about exponential equations, we used to use log, okay? But every time you see e, you have to use ln, okay? So just like we did yesterday and the day before, I can put ln in front of it, take the log of this side and take the log of this side. Okay, that's what I did in next step over here. And then we know that the power rule that x goes in the front, just like with logs. Okay, so now I get x times ln e equals ln 7. Now this from definition we know is equal to 1. Okay, so now I get x times 1 equals ln 7. Now in your calculator you have to type ln 7. Okay, and your calculator gives you 1.946. I rounded to 1 decimal place, so the answer is 1.9. Alright, let's do one example together slowly. So example number 1. Okay, I need to evaluate e to what power is equal to 37. Okay, please remember, every time we talk about e, okay, we have to use ln, natural logarithm. Okay, so first step, take ln of this side and take ln of this side. So let me rewrite this. I have some space, so I get ln e to the x is equal to ln 37. Now power rule says x goes in the front, so I get x times ln e is equal to ln 37. Now you could divide both sides by ln e, okay, but believe me, this is equal to 1 by definition. We talked about this. So this is equal to 1. So you get x times 1, which is x. So you get x is equal to ln 37. Okay. Now what is the answer? You have to use a calculator. So if you type ln 37, your answer is about 3.6. So x is equal to 3.6. I will use 3 decimals. On the homework, I actually forgot how many decimals they asked you to put. You know, it's always better to put more decimals, but if I want to use 3 decimals, it will be 3.611. Okay? If you want to check if your answer is correct, okay, think about e raised to 3.611. So I will actually check it. E, so second division, caret 3.611. My calculator says the answer is 37.003. Very, very close. So take a minute, actually 3 minutes on your own, and try question number 2. Okay, so pause the video, try number 2, and then play the video. I can wait because the video will be too long. As I said, I have to do this in less than 15 minutes. So, example number 2. E to b power equals 56. Step 1, take ln of this side, ln of this side. So now I get ln e to the b power is equal to ln 56. Okay, power rule. So I get b, don't confuse b with 6, okay, times ln e is equal to ln 56. Please remember, this is equal to 1. So b equals ln 56. If you use your calculator, okay, ln 56, my calculator says b is equal to 4.025. In other words, using proper language, 4 and 25 thousandths. So please watch the video twice, 3 times, take good notes, and do your homework, okay? And then I'm gonna make another video for day 4, so you could do your work in one day if you want. Thank you very much. Bye bye.